Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this screwdriver, or how do you say it, EasyDrill, a screwdriver on batteries from Bosch. So it's a quality brand. So yeah, I picked it up in a promotion. I think I paid in total like 40 euros or something. Normally it costs more, but anyway. So this is the box. It came with a battery, the screwdriver, and then also a charger. I saw it. It works on 18 volts. You can buy batteries from other brands that fits on it. And if you buy a battery from the brand itself, from Bosch, then you pay a lot more than you buy another battery from another brand. So if you want to buy another battery from another brand, you will be saving maybe like 50%. And also the batteries from other brands are way bigger. So this is only a few amps, and from the other brands it's more amps. So I think here that's 2.5 amps. I see 2.5, and I have seen for the half of the price 4 amps with other brands. So we are going to unbox this now. Here you see that it is there is plastic on the side, that it was never opened. So yes, we go to check it out. Here you can click it like that, but I'm first going to remove this. Voila. Maybe I just can open it like that. Hold on, I go to try to open it like that. Just click it open. Yes. Now I cut like this a little bit, and then here, yes, it goes off like that. Voila. So voila. Here you have the machine. First, always charge the thing, because if you use it directly it's not good. So here you can see how much power is in it. That's also a nice feature. It's only 1 bar, so not use it, only charge it fully before using it. So this is the system. This is the head. You see some manuals also in it. Manuals. And here I see some heads. There is one head inside of it, a Phillips head screw, and a minus, or how do you call it in English. And then here you have the charger. So we are going to charge it now, so like this, bam, and then we go to charge it. So here I have my electricity behind. I just connect it, and then voila, you see here a green bar shining, blinking. So yes, so you see there the system. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. You can win computer stuff, laptops, Bluetooth stuff, all kinds of things. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. And then I also want to tell you, if you like this video, please hit the like button, because if you like this you will get more from this content. So yeah, don't forget to like it. I see you later, and bye bye.